India's small industries just got a big green push, introducing the ADEETIE scheme. ADEETIE, Assistance in Deploying Energy-Efficient Technologies in Industries and Establishments, stands for Accelerating Decarbonization in the MSME Sector Through Energy Efficiency. This initiative aims to help micro, small and medium enterprises, MSMEs, reduce energy use by 30 to 50%, improve efficiency, and build green industrial corridors. Run by the Ministry of Power and implemented by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency, B. It has a budget of 1,000 crore rupees and runs from 2025-26 to 2027-28 over 3 financial years. MSMEs with a valid Udyam ID are eligible. To qualify, they must show at least 10% energy savings after adopting these technologies. It covers 14 energy-intensive sectors, including bricks, ceramics, chemicals, textiles, food processing, and fisheries. The rollout is in 2 phases. Phase 1 will target 60 industrial clusters, followed by 100 more in Phase 2. MSMEs will get interest subvention, 5% for micro and small enterprises, 3% for medium enterprises, cutting borrowing costs significantly. They'll also receive technical handholding, support in energy audits, preparation of detailed project reports, and assistance in integrating into green corridors. By making small industries cleaner and more efficient, ADEETIE could significantly emissions emissions, lower power costs, and improve the competitiveness of Indian goods internationally. Exam tip: ADEETIE means Power Ministry in B. 1,000 crore over 3 years. Udyam ID with 10% energy savings. Focus on 14 sectors and 160 clusters. And interest subvention of 5 and 3%. Remember it as Sustainable MSME Reform. Can you name one energy-intensive sector covered under ADEETIE? Comment below. Small steps, big impact. India's greening its industries. Follow 2, an affair for crisp current affairs.